One of the biggest myths in lending today is that a veteran can't buy a home with their VA benefit using a home that may be in less than perfect conditions. Just not true. A lot of buyers, especially my veterans, walk away from great opportunities and they just don't understand what can actually be financed with a VA renovation loan. So people assume that ugly homes require cash. Many times they don't. And this is backed by a VA loan called the Alteration for Improvement and Repair Loan. It allows eligible VA buyers to finance repairs into the mortgage either with a purchase or a refinance. Some examples of this are just, cosmetic remodeling. This has to do with paint, flooring, cabinets, countertops, fixtures, bathrooms, and also it could lead to other things that could keep you from VA qualification, which is like a new roof, water heater, electrical issues, or sometimes even the pest inspection, the WO or wood rot inspection. A lot of buyers think renovations have to be major structural work, and that's not what VA renovation is all about. But sometimes it's just modernizing an outdated property. So there are some things that you have to do with regard to functional and safety repairs. So those roof, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, windows, water damage, wood rot, pest damage, and safety issues, those have to be addressed. But we can do that inside your repair request when we go to get a contractor solution for your VA renovation loan. So that doesn't have to dissuade you from buying the house. You can also do some other value adds just for preference, and that includes functionality, either for disability, making homes financeable over time, making sure that you can afford all the repairs, converting problem properties into opportunity properties. Maybe you need that extra bathroom, bedroom, bonus room, or garage. And you can do things like layout changes. Sometimes the home just doesn't work the way it used to. Think of the 1970s homes that have a family room and a formal dining room. Some of those rooms are just not used in today's modern age, and you can change the layout of the home with a VA renovation loan. Also, deferred maintenance. So there's a lot of folks that just maybe not done some work on the house, and sometimes that would keep you from buying a home. You can include that with your VA renovation loan. But what things don't work on a VA renovation loan are things like high luxury ticket items, that don't have a clear scope of work, that have major structural feasibility concerns and unrealistic borrow expectations. So when you're looking for move-in ready homes, you can be paying top dollar for that. Some of the biggest mistakes I see veterans make is buying a home that's ready to go, which is good to for you and your situation, but you may overpay for the home. If you buy scratch and dent, you're likely to find a better value. You can also pick the wrong contractor. You can't go too cheap, so you want to do your due diligence. Your lender, if they're very acquainted with these, are going to help vet your contractor and make sure that you're not making mistakes there. That way, we can evaluate your scope of repairs and make sure that everything's included. Some of the best opportunities in the market are homes that buyers have overlooked. So if you're looking for a property and wondering whether the repairs can work, that's exactly what kind of scenarios, structures that we help with. If that's something we can do to help you, let Planet show you a better way home.